Good morning. This is a recording for Thursday, January 18th. The essay I'm going to read for you today from the Book of Awakening by Mark Nepo is titled Behind the Urgency. When feeling urgent, you must slow down. I learned this over and over during the many crises of cancer. Unless someone is bleeding or cannot breathe, unless there is some true physical requirement to act swiftly, a sense of urgency is a terrible illusion, a trick that happens again and again because life inside our skin and outside our skin are forever different. It is as hard as it is humbling. When feeling like I cannot sit still, I need more than ever to sit still. When feeling like I will die if I don't have your approval, I need more than ever to die to my need for your approval. What we need is always harshly and beautifully right before us, disguised in the wrapping of our nearest urgency. We just refuse to accept this because it feels so difficult to face. The doorway to our next step of growth is always behind the urgency of now. Now, more than ever, when all feels urgent, you must cut the strings to all events. Now, more than ever, when the weights you carry seem tied to your wrists, you must not run or flail. Now, more than ever, when each decision feels like the end, you must believe that each question is a beginning. Now, more than ever, when you fear that being who you are is a knife to those you love, you must be strong inside where no one has seen you, for loving from there can only make those you love grow. Now, more than ever, when feeling that you are the source and recipient of all pain, you must bow your head till the ancient channel from sky to heart can reopen, till you remember that you are a blessed piece of spirit dust in spirit wind. Now, more than ever, you must breathe till your ounce of breath becomes the sky, again and again. In this way, pray to know your place in the human family like you've never known it. In this way, pray to have your true self inch through your turmoil. In this way, love yourself the way you love the emptiness of time. Love yourself the way you love your children, or your dog, or your dearest friend, without reservation. In this way, today with all its hardships will spill into tomorrow, and decisions will become as clear as streams thawing. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle. Settle into your body, your heart, your mind. Settle into this moment, right here, right now. Allow your breath to be nice and soft, completely natural, and see if you can get a sense of spaciousness in your breathing, so that all the experiences of the present moment can flow through you as energy that they are, without struggle. And as you gently center yourself in this way, Start feeling all the urgencies that pull at you. Feel the tension of each like a string stretched taut. How does this urgency feel in your body, in your heart, in your mind? What physical sensations, thoughts, and emotions are being evoked as you allow yourself to feel all these urgencies? And now, very gently, start untying yourself from these urgencies, one at a time. Maybe visualize it, imagine it happening. How does that feel in your body, in your heart, in your mind? Enjoy breathing freely, even if it's just for one fleeting moment, untied from all urgencies. And now place your hands on your heart, and as always, thank yourself for doing this exercise. With gratitude, send yourself the energy of loving kindness. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel safe, protected, at ease. May I know deep, natural peace. And as you gently let go of your practice, scan your body, notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, whenever you notice that you start drowning in the myriad of urgencies of your day, remember this quote: when feeling urgent, you must slow down. And see if you can stop, breathe, slow down, take a pause, and notice how this changes your experience of yourself and the very moment you are in. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.